It took a lot of effort to break up and clean the... Now let's have an assembly record. Front and rear bearing models 697 and 6801 respectively, all replaced with zirconia ceramic bearings. It has the advantages of self-lubrication and maintenance-free. Its smoothness far exceeds that of original metal bearings. This is the original bearing. Already rusty? Turn the card. I broke the big bearings until I found a bearing puller behind me. This is really good stuff. Bearings can be easily removed without heating. The crankshaft is in good condition, no serious rust, slightly polished clean. The cylinder liner has a smooth surface and no scratches. This stuff is not cheap. The piston is in good condition, which has a lot to do with the quality of the fuel used. I have been using Japanese YS 2500 11.25% fuel. Although it is a little expensive, it has good protection for the engine. The piston is mounted in a direction with the notch facing in. Then install the cylinder liner, also with directional instructions. Turn the piston to TDC and press it gently without scratching the piston. By the way, there is a trick to remove the cylinder liner. You can insert a folded note through the exhaust port. Then turn the crankshaft to push out the cylinder liner. Rear cylinder head sealing ring uses 20 to 1.5 silicone sealing ring. Install the cylinder head with the same attention. The notch is facing up. Turn the crankshaft now. It should be smooth. Next, install the clutch. The original clutch is a two-piece rubber clutch, which is relatively rubbish. It is recommended to upgrade to a metal 3-paddle clutch. Watch another video. Before installing the clutch spring, pay attention to adding gaskets. Clutch bearing size is 10/5/4. Install carburetor silicone sealing ring, size 13*1. The latch of the carburetor has an arc notch on one side to match the opening of the carburetor. After insertion, lock the carburetor nut. Before installing the cylinder head, be sure to check whether the hot head is working properly. Install cylinder head sealing copper gasket. Align holes and openings, lock screws. Install the cylinder head protective plastic ring. Install the exhaust silicone sealing ring. The size is 15*1.5. The original size is 15*1. I hope the seal is better, so the diameter is larger. Before installing the Easy Start electric starter, pay attention to installing this small gasket on the rear axle. Like this, the engine body is installed. How about installing the exhaust pipe and air filter by the way? It looks very domineering, doesn't it? Haha. There is no fuel yet, and the cylinder pressure is very good. If fuel is injected later, the cylinder pressure will be better.